Ready to share your voice with the world? Discover how to effortlessly create a time block website on Wix. No coding skills required, just your creativity. Let's turn your ideas into a beautiful online presence today. So hello guys and welcome in another video where I will show you step by step how to create a blog website in Wix.com. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into Wix.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Wix is an intuitive website builder perfect for creating your own blog. With its drag and drop interface, you can easily customize your site without any coding skills. Choose from a wide range of professional templates to showcase your content, whether you are sharing personal stories or exporting sites. Wix helps you engage your audience effectively. Start your blogging journey with Wix and bring your ideas to life. So all I have to do is just follow the steps that I will show you. And watch this video until the end and start following these steps, and for sure you will achieve your goal, which is creating a blog website in Wix.com. So right now let's just scroll down and you will find here how to create a website for free. You have just to follow these 6 simple steps to create a website today. So the first step, which is choose a platform, start creating, customize your website, optimize for search engines, publish your website, and the last one, which is promote and drive traffic. So let's come back to the top. So in the top right we have here get started. You click over it and you will find this page. You have just to click over sign up like that, and you have to write your email address, confirm the email address, choose a password and confirm the password. By the way, the password must have at least 6 characters. It's better to have upper and lowercase letters. Use also symbols, a longer password as well. Also we have here other options, which is Google or Facebook. And if you already have an account, you have just to log in by writing your email address and your password, and then you get started with it. Then you'll find other page, which is this one. So you have just to click over create new site and you get started with Wix. Then you will find this page, which is here. We have what type of website you want to create. So for example, here we have blog coming soon, mindfulness blog, life blog, entertainment blog, technology blog, poetry blog, student blog, my blog, desk blog, mom blog, sports blog. So choose the one you want. Then you click over continue and you'll find the dashboard here. So here we have the dashboard. Welcome to your dashboard. Let's set up your blog here. So we have just to do these simple steps, which is here. The first one, update your blog type. As I did, I choose blog. Then we have here the second one, which is connect and custom domain. Find your perfect domain and secure it in a few clicks. Then here we have write your first blog post, design your website, get found on Google. Then all I have to do is just click over design site and you will find here this page. So how would you like to design your website? We have the first choice, which is customize a template. Browse thousands of designs, then pick one to customize. You click over pick template if you want the first choice, or the second choice we have generate a design with EA, get a personalized site designed in seconds. So you click over generate a design and you get started with it. And here we have the page that you will find. So firstly, you have to pick the website template you love. For example, you have just to search for the template, or you can choose here the niche that you want. For example, here you have business and services. So for example, here we have business, such as consulting and coaching, advertising and marketing, real estate, automotive, cars and pets and animals. Then we have here health and wellness, beauty and hair, fashion and style. Then we have here travel and tourism, restaurant and food, one page professional CV. Then we have here the second one, which is store. We have e-commerce, creative such as photography, design, music, creative arts, portfolio, CV, and video. We have it community, such as education, communities, and events. Then we have a blog, and here we have it. Right now you have just to select if it is personal blog, food and travel, news and business, arts, fashion and beauty, sports and wellness, and then we have podcast. So right now you have just to choose the one you want, or you can just scroll down and you'll find here other page which you'll find other templates. For example, we have the 30 page here, page, the 5th page, and the 6th page. You'll find other templates and you choose the one you will love. So for example, I will just select for this one and I will click over edit. Once you do that, you will find here this page, as you can see. So we have here various things to customize your template. So the first one we have here the home. Just to click over manage pages and you select here the option or the button of add page and you add a various page. As you can see here we have blank page. If you want, as you can see, and you add, for example, here if you want design section, a section generator, add elements, and this is it. Right now here we have, if you want to add elements, like here we have text, team text, titles, paragraphs, convol symbol, text, text mark, text mask. Then we have here image, such as upload and import, free from Wix, free Wix illustration, logo. Then we have here stripe, button, such as your icon button, timber button, text and icon buttons. Then we have here image buttons, icon buttons. Then we have document buttons, and then we have here the option of stripe, such as classic here, featured, about, services, contact, welcome, testimonials, and then we have decorative also. So we have here various options such as box, gallery, menu and answer, contact and forms, video and music, interactive, lists, embed code, social, payments, CMS, blog, store, booking, events, food and beverage, community, and we have my designs. Then we have here other options, which is this one of colors. For example, here we have the background. If you want page background, text, image, color theme, and we have a page transition. Then we have also here settings, as you can see, like Wix forms and payment, Wix video, Wix chat, Wix site search, and find apps. Then we have here media. If you want to upload your media such as Facebook, Instagram, Drive, Google, Photo, and we have here Photo Studio, Video Maker, and if you want free Wix images, free Wix videos, we have here Shutterstock images and other things. Then here we have, for example, if you want CMS, this is the option. Here we have easily manage your site content, such as set up content collections, create 100 of dynamic pages, collect info from site visitors. So once you do that, you have just to click over publish, but we have also this option of zoom out, zoom in, and we have integrate and window. And this is it. You can just click over publish and you get started and you share the website. So Wix empowers you to create a captivating blog website with ease and creativity. Its user-friendly tools and diverse templates make it accessible for anyone, regardless of technical expertise. So by choosing Wix, you can focus on what really truly matters. Sharing your voice and connecting with your audience. Start building your blog today and watch your ideas come to life. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys, and have a fantastic day ahead. And see you again in the next video.